implant has an impact for compromised patients, so we have a higher predictability at compromised sites, and this is the best for me as a clinician that I can offer. Choose the best material for the best treatment outcome. I do remember those times when the term hydrophilicity came into the game. It sounded like marketing. But now we have come to the point that obviously many companies claim that their surface is also hydrophilic, but based on a lot of data we see that is just one component. The other component are nanostructures that form on top of this hydrophilic surface, which make it unique. So it's a fingerprint, and this surface is a fingerprint and cannot just be reduced to one term, which is hydrophilicity.